Today I'm going to go over how to create an assignment on Edmodo. When you log into your Edmodo account, this is the home screen that comes up. In order to create an assignment, I'm going to go to my class. This class is Learning How, so I click on the class and open it up. Real simple, I'm going to click on the Assignment tab, which allows me to add an assignment. I'm going to make this assignment Introductions. And in the assignment description, have the students tell the students what they need to do. Once I have a project description, I can decide on a due date. I'm going to make this due on May 11th. I can choose a time. I want it done by 9:45 p.m. I have previous assignments saved, so if it was an assignment that I wanted to load, I could go back into some old assignments and upload an assignment I've already done. Because I want this done by a certain time, I'm going to lock it so there's not a chance to do it after the due date. I want to add it to the gradebook. You can attach files from your computer. Open it up if you have a file saved. You can add a link, or there's a library of files you can attach from. Also, you can open up your Google Drive to make attachments. Because I don't want this to open yet, I'm going to hit send later, and I want it to open on the 4th at 10 o'clock a.m. Once I save the date and time, I will send this assignment for the class. On my dashboard, it says scheduled. I can click on what is scheduled, and it comes up with the option and that it needs to be turned in. And that is how you create an assignment on Edmodo.